Okay, so I think
so by the other match,
yeah, me too.
Possible lineup, no, yes,
Kotoko.
I'm on the junior and yes,
no, Frederick Asare is starting.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah, from intelligence of the ground.
But from Mesoma, you know.
Sir Kamara.
To say Frederick Asare, music Kamara, anyway.
You do Fred from media. Fred
from media Kamara.
Fred Lord Amwa right back.
Hold him back. Kamara.
Is smart left back. Samba and Ablo. Because babe, Oman almost babe na look likely no. Na Samba na Ablo. And Intiminiche still more likely to start in the middle. And Emmanuel Entry. Yes. Saka. Miso to omu training no. There were times where share babe nibi. Times ne baba ya. So between Yaya and Saka, Peter Midu and Albert Amwa. So if there will be a change, maybe Saka and Betty make it. Obetimi push the squad no, but for now there it looks like maybe keep the other ball against Karela plus Frederick Asare.
That's who keep the Kamara now.
Plus Asare. That is what is coming into. That's okay. Asare here. Kotoko fans are very hopeful, both spiritual and tactical. Ahead of this game, I'm hopeful.
Is it them say ask for na mama small?
Mene Alaja can be near Din Common can be say a switchy free and a switch abaha. Sana normally Kotoko has net here. Ayana they say at the same time on me sumji for the last 7 years eBay.
I could see about Kojobusa question. I mean, I was say Agbesima away.
Samates.
Our free art on.
Yeah, of course, Samates.
Oh, okay.
And this only Morocco no be proud.
Ah,
they only Morocco.
Okay.
Of course, Samates. Into that is a no ho. Into you better how Beko. Kotoko extremely hopeful. Say they will easily win this game and chances of they win, you know. I think I will stick my neck out for Asante Kotoko. Roughly on the national too. Let's give Kotoko a win over this game based on how I'm prepare mo. For Haas game no. Haas ni Bechem no. Bechem it looks a bit depleted. Kakra. When it comes to I think say Haas of Folk must win this game. Haas must win this game. From where I sit, I believe in Haas. Bechem Utd say Haas. I want to trust them because any our Kekano model Kobo should be different than any other team. I think say
Gold Stars.
No, Bechem
coach why?
What's wire?
That been if you're young, you know.
Wire na Bechem.
Back on the guy last year koi. No war Western region or
Bismarck, Kobe Mensa. Oh, there be the floor cry. You almost player status committee cry. Oh, in the case of player status.
So why and they watch? Oh, he's a no player.
Yeah. Things or say why and manage Bechem.
Okay.
Okran is in town. The last game no ball best 74 minutes. Until let's see how it will go. I think both teams to score hard to folk to win. I want to both teams to score hard to folk to win in this particular fixture. Mr. Two, fortunately, the good news is that all the matches will be live on TV. Kotoko on Globe has the end so number 6.
Okay.
Has the end number 6 Sunday number 6. To Kotoko area until all attention.
About 5.
Yeah, na the house the end so no. Eddie Ababe so near Hessen and Yoma ever call Eddie Ama hard to folk. I think say Abbas you can have a point to celebrate. I as I may feel say after week in somehow do our course no. The coach's future, the coach's destiny can okay.
Why and them so assistant.
Okay. Because I think thank you very much. Individual too. Or assistant boom. Okay. Individual too. Yeah, Hessen and your my ever call Eddie Mama. I want to believe that House of Folk will get the win. me, I want to believe this weekend I'm going for Haas and Kotoko Nyina to win this particular weekend. Haas can't afford to be the topic of discussion negatively again. On Monday.
Again.
Abbas,
Dr. Amon Socha. Or say, last ni between first round then. One first round between 4G, second round almost AG1.
First round almost 1-0. Haas ne share 1-0. And now Gama say last minute, got the 90th minute. And Agama cry raise a lot of allegations, pa.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Raise a lot of allegations.
Past 5 years in you show you shares are. Around 4 shares. Yeah, I got show more 1 day. I got 1 or past 5 years. So check your normal record. Okay. Shares are.
It is a match win.
Nyame adumasana de be because nyama
na watara kaza
bibi ekoso kama cause one dey sisi ya no nse ba bi ogina sisi ya no na ni abre pa na ni abre pa nyasam keto akora nti Thursday all the regional executives ni kokoshia NCC wa Accra ewe kwanya be fa so a nkuguo na e ba ne nyina nka mom ne entoto ne maye na asofo kumman so back because madika aka si ye de nya players ne de wa no mafa no ye be ke kansa mafa ho saa ba ti ampe solution a problem ni timi so ti ko ye no panifo bi ya de adwuna ba wi aboa no se ne NCC chairman enfa nkoto board anim na board so hwe se break bam na se board any supporters leaders no betimi ahia na se management no supporters leaders betimi ahia ti no area man NCC behwe na otusa na mo no nyame adom ekina house of folk ye bo against Bechem se ye kobo ball we house ni bia na ye ma show because unim se near to house of late no and ye nyan nti house of supporters ye besre se how na aba no obi ene wan ani je ho but binya how de nya wura ofia a solution and our person be ya obetimi afrim adwane afrim nti supporters e kina ye match ni 6 o'clock and we match no obi am na adwene nkoso because onso oni nipa eniema etutu ye ni nyina me gidi ye se so tinya man antimi nto aso saa se ya de bo na wanya yare sa say wuo na de woko enti no ye gidi ye say se yiri ye ho se ye bese ye ho yade a ye be free sa wonum to support us nya abotre because ye free how mu ene ye say be start wo how mu te bese ya enipa bi akoma akoma entimi sa na ye ma no but aba ade so nya ba e ya abotre ne mpaibo ene ntutuye na abaye se de be has be die ti support us ne ye sere wo se omunya abotre de okuna duru sisi ya ne de ihia ne ma bebre a ye de beboa ma hazufuk atimi akona ne tiakina nyame adoma match no 6 o'clock
6 p.m. Okay, all right, chairman akwaba
ye ja daddy
na ti say na no pay
nyame adoma ho de setwere konkron no chairman no pay de me wo ha ma Asante Kotoko supporters yesere mo a nyame ya adoma ochina ye kɔ akwa ye match no wo boase enti Kotoko supporters amutie me besere mo ya regi basis no ebi si abu akwa bi na da no numbers ne do so nipa 7 na da no mintime mobo so ebi besi kanyase ti kanyase abremfo nyina chiase ba bia mo bekọ PK Sapon swami runabout Melkru tafufo nyina mo njo ne bas no swami runabout edwo so TK Donko atonsu kajetia ebi besi Hello FM anim ho na stadium so ba akwa si ho beba mcho yakoni ye banyina chairman 60 cedis utekitika ho enti chairman Kotoko supporters nyina mom ye mrane meta team na chi because ye wura aboka Messi this season ye Kotoko supporters ye fa winning bonus ye de gate president ne fa ye winning bonus ye be ko in numbers na we wura enye skadi abotim ne ho ba.
Okay,
that's it.
Thank you very much, Abbas. Oro Sudon corner ascending message say watarae
enko ye ma so ma ya ba se no se no we de enko ye no na ba twa se padu nyum water ma
sie team no ma
ani no open no watarae ye team no ma ye obeye.
Also, if as part of Win Taylor to sign a new contract, they had given him a that check. That check, your checker, or the Kobanga.
Yeah, why is it that?
Or Sena House for Taylor 50 million cedis and then 5,000. The check was in our possession. and it was also a strong evidence of Taylor's status then. And or my kakra about us ni Taylor ni 1 year na kano 11 o'clock we look at all these stories. Kasa ni nyina na no kamfa ekwanya.
Ni wi a wan be ya no.
For a friend no Shushan boy.
Wan be ya no.
Ntia ene Jones atuko efio ene nsem bebre.
Taylor de wi obi anya no.
There is so kase wa no aba bi. Chema ya dasi.
Chama we sira wa ba ku kem. Wa pese wo ko bi ni frame number no. Na memfa enipa wo be send u sika si ni so number ma. Me number no 0500 91 30 79 0500 91 3079. O frame ya maybe sa ba bia wo na ma send
wo bia
ohia bia no. Na ma send bia dia ma. E da se chama.
Na lezwa obekọ obuase ana. Chaya inyo obekọ obuase.
Alezwa. Obekọ obuase.
Aba obekọ obuase. Ade.
Eze ze ngofo no musi jeso mo kwahye no. Ozi ehwe chiransa. Sina we se ehwe chiransa. Ana mi ka se do mo kwahye no. Go waka se mi jesi asa. Anso mi ya na uka. Mi ko du fi ana mi no nya adwuro o.
Za.
Ko na se mi nu san nyina. Wo ka se mi pe. Your committee and my raises are somewhere in my grandmother. Go be ana. If you don't want just
all right, Chief, never say.
Nana Poli.
Nana Poli.
I made the Frimpon Francis by Dian Kotoko supporters in enemy and Nana Poli. Oh, okay. Men me boto to Sansama Kotoko Stadium.
I got very free moon. Yeah.
I can communication team.
Cinema is our ground about oh, budget tonight.
Yeah, and I can one 2 times in a maba.
Oh, fine. Yeah, Aquaba. I dear kind of
Matida.
I dear. Any problem.
Dr. Amona, Dr.
Amona,
oh no, say
Kotoko, you all kind of work.
Doctor, you know, say Menkai Bechem.
I was a Bechem for the Omutabwa house.
Oh, there's another Cagano.
All right, dear, see, that's it. Only and Abba Senti, Ubiamon pay money team. Ha, if a Monday will be able to just say, yeah. Watara, all right, so we are back on Monday, and that's 11 o'clock. We'll be sports.